General Mathematics First Summative Test. Number 1. If an employee earns 480,000 pesos annually, what is their monthly salary? A. 40,000, B. 45,000, C. 38,000, D. 42,000. Solutions. 480,000 pesos divided by 12. 480,000 wintag annually, that is ang whole year sa katuig. So, ang monthly niya, i-divide na to by 12 kay in 1 year na atay 12 months. That is equal to 40,000. Answer, letter A. Number 2. A worker earns 70 pesos per hour and works 40 hours a week. What is their weekly wage? A. 2,800, B. 3,000, C. 2,600, D. 3,200. Solutions, 70 pesos times 40. Kaya ang 1 per hour niya, 70. Since works siya of 40 hours, so 70 times 40 times lang. That is equal to 2,800 pesos. Answer, letter A. Number 3. If the same worker works 5 hours of overtime paid at 1.5 times the regular rate, how much is the overtime pay? Number 3, this is referring to the question in number 2 ng worker. So, ang katong worker na siya pay nga 70 pesos per hour. So, letter A, 525, B, 490, C, 450, D, 500. Solution, 70 pesos times 1.5 times 5, that is equal to 525. Sa ato ang previous nga video, giun sa pag-compute si overtime pay is overtime rate times number of hours na overtime. So, kining 70 pesos times 1.5, mo na siya ang pag-compute sa overtime rate. So, ang result ana, i-multiply sa pila ka oras ang iyahang overtime. So, 5 hours man. So, times 5, ang answer is 525, letter A. Number 4. A sales agent earns a 5% commission if she sells 60,000 pesos worth of products. How much does she earn from commission? A. 3,000, B. 2,500, C. 2,800, D. 3,500. So, pag-compute, just multiply 60,000 times 5% para makuha nimo ang 5% ni 60,000. That is equal to 3,000. Letter A. Number 5. A piece worker is paid 15 pesos per unit. If he completes 240 units in a week, how much does he earn? A. 3,600, B. 3,200, C. 3,800, D. 4,000. Solutions, 15 pesos times 240. Kay 240 man iyahang units nga na kompleto, then kada unit na ay 15 pesos nga bayad. So, i-multiply nimo 15 pesos times 240, that is equal to 3,600. Letter A. Number 6. A call center agent earns 25,000 pesos monthly with a 3,000 pesos night differential allowance. What is the total monthly income? A. 27,000, B. 28,000, C. 26,000, D. 25,500 pesos. Okay, so question, gibangita ang total. Solution, so i-add lang nimo ang iyahang tanan na earn in a month. So, naka-earn siya 25,000 as iyang monthly, plus napa siya differential, that is equal to 28,000 pesos. Letter B. Number 7. An annual salary of 600,000 pesos is equivalent to how much per week? So, in 1 year na atay 52 weeks. A. 11,540, B. 11,500, C. 12,000. D. 11,200. Solutions. 600,000 divided by 52. Okay, ang 1 year, 600,000. Since natin 52 weeks in a year, so divided by 52, that is equal to 11,538.46. Ang i-ask sa number 7 is equivalent, no? Annual salary that is equivalent to how much per week. So, wala sa choices ang 11,538.46 exactly amount. Pero ang atong piliun ang pinakaduol niya. So, since ang pinakaduol is 11,540. So, the answer is letter A.